If you're thinking of starting to record your audio separate from your video, or maybe you want to edit your audio separate from your video, we're going to show you how to sync video and audio in Magix Vegas Pro. Welcome to Simple Green Tech, where we do tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you create great digital content. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, thank you so much for checking this out. And if you'd like to see more tips like this one, including more videos on Magix Vegas Pro, please subscribe to the channel. I'm Radio Zane, and in this video we're looking at how to sync video and audio in Magix Vegas Pro. I've linked to the Magix website just in case you want to check out the latest version and how much it costs. Alright, before we get into the software, I want to give you a quick tip for when you're actually recording your video and your audio separately. What you'll want to do when you start your video and your audio recording is give a quick clap on screen so you can easily line them up in your editing software later. Now let's get into Magix Vegas Pro. With Vegas Pro open, bring in your video and your audio that you want to sync up. Bring your video into the timeline. It will likely have its own audio track. Even if it's blank, there will likely be an audio track attached to it. To remove this track, highlight the audio and the video track by holding Control and clicking on both. Then right-click on one of them and go to Group. Then click on Remove From. You can now delete the audio track that was attached to your video. Alternatively, you could actually just mute that track, but I like to have a clean project to work with, so deleting it works best for me. Now bring your audio track that you recorded separately into the timeline. And if you did that clap tip that I recommended, you can look for that visual cue, then try to line up the clap sound and the clap video as best as possible. And once you think you have that figured out, go to the spot in your video where the actual content starts. This is probably you talking on camera. This is a sample of audio and video that have been recorded separately for use in this tutorial. Now you want to make sure that your lips and audio are lined up correctly. You may need to do some fine adjustments by moving the audio a few frames either way. Once you think you have it lined up perfectly, highlight the video track and the audio track by holding down Control and clicking on both of them. Then go to Group, click on Create New. Now the audio and the video will be linked together, so you won't have to worry about accidentally moving either track out of sync. Now I want to know, do you currently record your audio separate from your video, or do you edit your audio separate from your video? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you'd like to see more tips like this one, including more Magix Vegas Pro videos, please subscribe to the channel. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Radio Zane, and we'll talk soon.